I don't know if you can see this, but this is plant-based chicken tenders. It has 15 grams of protein. When you get your food, make sure it has enough protein. Hi loves, it's Pate. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Pate. Please subscribe. Today I'm going to take you guys with me to grocery shop. I am already ready. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you guys once I'm at the grocery store. Y'all, this is all my groceries. So crazy. As y'all can see, I love to eat. There's still some on the floor right there, but I'm gonna start putting them away, and I'll show you guys what I got when I'm putting it away.
But it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and I won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Let's run away, just you and I, you and I. I'm falling down. Let's make mistakes, just you and I. Your heart is mine. I'm falling down.
Let's run away from this old town to where we going. I wanna take you somewhere, baby, where it's snowing. We're young and free, let's take a dip into the ocean.
Y'all, I don't know if you can see this, but this is plant-based chicken tenders. It has 15 grams of protein. When you get your food, make sure it has enough protein, because we do need protein, and protein help you build muscles and stuff.
I know you love it when we driving down the coast, yeah. I'll take you anywhere, just tell me where to go, yeah. Got nothing else but time, so let's put on a show, yeah. Your story crossed with mine, so let's go ride our own, yeah.
Let's run
I could take you anywhere but here. Let's run away from all our pain and wipe away those tears, and dry them up until you finally start to see so clear. I know, we're just running around, yeah. Let's go, far away from this town, yeah. I won't ever let you down, yeah. So please don't ever let me down, yeah. It's hard, I've been scarred from out fighting. Waking up, stomach is starved, I keep grinding. 6 a.m, life isn't hard, I keep reciting. It feels like I might fall apart, I keep trying. Sun's coming up and the glare is so blinding. I'm sick of hearing and seeing all of the people whining. You want something good, then you better go put the time in. You get what you pay for, and time is money, we climbing. It's prime time, it's my time, I got it. I'll be just fine, my mind, you can't stop it. Give me a vine to climb and I'll top it. Grow yourself a spine, got mine, that's a promise. Take a deep breath and head towards the darkness. The light at the end wasn't put there by no novice. My hand I extend, so welcome to my office. No time to repent, we're building and not stopping.
Alright y'all, I'm done putting everything away. Let me show you guys my fridge.
Things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose.
And this is what I have in here. And I have my bananas right there. And new addition to my wine area. This one right here, I'm gonna be drinking tonight. But that's everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed myself and recording myself get my food. This is what I usually do whenever I do grocery shopping. It's just so much process, but at least I only do it like once every 3 weeks or once a month. So yeah, depending on how much I eat throughout the weeks. Sometimes it only lasts me like 2.5 weeks, to be honest. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.
Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath.